Hello to everybody. Now I am going to explain or demonstrate the working of automatic water level controller, which is designed by using 8051 microcontroller. This is the sump and this is the overhead tank, and this tank it is using 3 wires as a sensors, white wire, blue and orange. In the same way here white, blue and orange, and here 2 boards I am using. This board belongs to upper tank and this board belongs to sump, and this board indicates two indicators. That is, this contains 2 indicators, blue and red. Blue light indicates upper level of the tank and the red light indicates lower level of the upper tank. And here in this board, red light indicates upper level of the sump and green light indicates lower level of the sump. And these 2 are the driver circuits. This drives the motor, and if this LED on, that means motor is on. If it is not glowing, then motor is off. And this driver circuit drives the buzzer. It is using in certain cases. Okay, now I am going to explain. And here presently all LEDs are glowing. That means tank is full and sump is also full. Now I am utilizing the water. Just I will switch on I'll make on tap. Now the water is coming down, and here as the water goes off, this blue LED becomes off. That means water is using. That means now it is off. Yes, water has come down, but it has not reached the lowest level, that is low level of the tank. And here this green LED is off, that is motor. The motor is not on. Now LED goes off, red light, then motor is on. It is indicated by the green light. Now the motor is lifting the water, and hence red light again it comes on. The next water is now lifting, and slowly water is rising in the upper tank. As soon as it reaches the highest level, now I am going to demonstrate another application of the water level controller. That is, during the lifting of the water, suppose if the in the tank level, suppose if the water goes beyond minimum level, then it will automatically switch off the motor, even though tank upper level tank in the upper level tank water has not reached the highest level or maximum level, and it is indicated by the buzzer, by long beeps. Now I am going to demonstrate that application. Presently in the sump, water is not crossed the minimum level, that is indicated by the green LED, but in the upper tank both LEDs are glowing. That means tank is full. Now I am utilizing the water again. Now I am again, this blue LED goes off. Then after utilizing the water, this red LED also goes off. After that this motor will switch on. Just wait. Yes, now red LED goes off, and after 1 or 2 seconds this motor is on. It is indicated by this green LED. Yes, now the motor is on. Now the motor is on. Again it is lifting the water into the tank. That's why red LED comes on. Now we will observe that if the tank is in the sump, if the water is going beyond minimum level, okay, now it is beyond minimum level, motor has to switch off. Yes, motor is switched off, and this is indicated by buzzer sound, and this buzzer is controlled by this relay. 5 times it gives the buzzer. Okay, now it is stop.